So in the diagram, chords made by segment BE and segment DC intersect inside the circle at point F, which is not the center. Angle BFD is labeled with a measure of theta and subtends arc BD. Angle BFD has a vertical angle, angle CFE, which subtends arc CE. A third chord, segment DE, is drawn in to create triangle DEF. Katie must prove that theta equals 1/2 the measure of arc BD plus the measure of arc CE. Which theorems or statements should Katie include in her plan for the proof? There is more than one correct answer choice. Select all the correct answer choices. So again, I would duplicate this and jump to it just based on an image. So I'm going to look for a picture like this, or I'm going to look for the statement that the angle is equal to 1/2 the arc BD plus 1/2 the arc of CE. So that we can use that as an example. Okay, so this picture looks similar. Here is a similar statement. Angle DGB is equal to 1/2 the arc DB plus 1/2 the arc AE. So this is going to be right up our alley. So I'm going to be using this as an example. And I haven't checked this answer. So right here is showing me that it's an inscribed angle. So maybe reason 4. Okay, so now we know that reason 4 ought to be inscribed angles. So just keep that in mind as we go through this, that this right here is actually inscribed. So I'm going to mark that right from the get-go, and I'm also noticing that we have a triangle exterior angle theorem, which is right there. I did not notice that anything about a radii or base angle theorem or the Pythagorean theorem or vertical angles. So those are the ones that I'm going to select based on using this proof as an example. That's how I would go about answering this question.